if you are looking for a professional way how we can reference our geometry from one body to another in FreeCAD, then this video is for you. Today we will talk about Shape Binder. Shape Binder is a tool inside Part Design Workbench in FreeCAD that lets one body reference geometry from another body without copying it. So basically, in this way, you can take a reference, or you can, use certain features of one body that in a way kind of link to another body. For example, let's say, these are slots and I want to fit something inside these slots, and that will be another body. Okay. So what I can do here is I can create shape binder. So probably I'm going to take this face and then I'm going to go on the top here, and then I'm going to say create a shape binder, and then I'm gonna click OK. Now in case if I want additional surfaces, I can click on add geometry and then can add additional geometry as needed. Now let's click OK, and there we go. We have created this shape binder, and probably I would have created the body before, but not to worry, I can actually pull this shape binder here in this new body. So for that, I can make a right click on it, and then I'm gonna say move object to other body, and now the shape binder exists here. Now let me little bit move this body so that we can see how I'm going to use it. So let's click on transform, and probably I can move it like this. Now we can clearly see this reference being created by this geometry, and I can start working on it. I can also use this as a sketch, for example, creating pad. And that's how, guys, we can take help of this external geometry. Now the good thing about this shape binder is, let's say if I make some adjustment or change in the original geometry, for example here, let me edit this sketch, and I am going to reduce this by following. Now it is 60. And here you can see, as soon as we make change in the original geometry, the shape binder geometry also change. So this is really powerful because we do not need to remember, or we do not need to manually readjust another geometry based on the parent geometry. So that's how, guys, you can create geometrical references using shape binder and can use them to create another body. Hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.